I've got one in the box, two in my shed, or two in my box, one in my bucket. Three, check out here. Got a real one?
Hey, there's some nice ones.
It's a big bull, he just seen it. Good call. Good call, ready.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Nice. That's a nice one. Another beautiful day out here. We're working this grass line. Just gonna do some beeliner fishing, but started trolling this line. Beautiful rip, and started catching some mahi. So we're just kind of grinding them out, see if we can find something big. See if we can find a big bull dolphin or wahoo. But so far we've been getting some nice chickens. A little bit bigger chickens in the mix there, but yeah, can't beat it. Beautiful day out here. Hey, damn, that's a good one. It's a real good one. Little turkey, little turkey.
Get him. Hey, how far out do I need to let these wahoo rigs?
About the same. Okay. You know, give me about, if I'm going slow, about 20, 25. About 20, 25. Okay. I have to walk backwards, Cole. Tell him to walk back. Cole, I have to tell him to walk back. Walk him back so you can get to it. You have to swing him in. Step on it.
There we go. Hell yeah. Let me get a picture. Yeah, man. That's a big cow. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
That one might make it there. Go nice one. They don't get big. They're probably state record around 7.5 pounds. So that gives you an idea.
I couldn't imagine.
This he's got a pretty close one. It should be good. This one over here should make it. Bring him in, but just keep, they ain't going nowhere on this big grass line. This does, yeah. Look at that one. Oh, hell yeah, that's a good one. Hell yeah.
This is so badass. Hey, they hitting it still, wasn't it? Oh, that's a good one. Hey, stop. Hell, you gotta wow.
Keep thinking about it. You gotta kind of tease them up.
Right there.
There's a few good ones down there. There you go. Work it, work it. Work it. Oh, there you go. Oh. Reel it up a little bit. Oh. They're swinging mine, nipping it. Cole right here. Cole. Cole right here. Get her hooked up one. Oh yeah. That's a good chicken right. Get her hooked up one. Oh yeah. That's a good chicken right there.
Got to right on his head. Oh, where are the dice? Oh, where are the dice? There should be in the thing.
Come on, Andrew. Look at that one.
Swing him in, Andrew. Come on, Andrew. Swing him in. Swing him in. Woo.
Hey, can I just cut this off?
They get them up. Let's hold them up. And we'll try to get those big wahoo lures out. See if we get a big wahoo or something. It's a wahoo.
Hey, pop this one off real quick.